finite automata. Okay, so students, here we can see what is the automata. Automata is a mathematical model or abstract model. Okay, so through which we are getting to know the language is accepted or not. Okay, so why we are learning this finite automata? So students, finite automata tells you whatever input you provide to the machine, whatever input, when we provide some input we are getting the output, but automata tells you how that machine works. Finite automata going to tell you the internal behavior of the machine. Clear? Afterwards we can see finite automata is consisting of how many tuples? 5. Which are that 5 tuples? Capital Q, sigma, L, Q0, L. This is a machine. That's why we have written here M. Okay. Now, what is capital Q? Finite set of states. Finite set of the states. You can have number of the states. From where it comes? What is state? So students, if you look here, Q0 is a initial state. If you are traveling from one place to another place, okay? Whenever you are coming to the college, you are traveling from one place to other place. So you are considering that your place is a one state and you are coming to the college, this is the another state. And transition is what? You are moving from your place to college, okay? So that is a transition. This is our regular life example. Here you can see, here capital Q means what? At what location, at what states you are moving. So state is denoted by this circle. Inside the circle we are writing here Q0. For initial state we are denoting it by the arrow. This is a initial state. And always remember, final state we are denoting by double circle. Okay, so here we can see Q1 is a final state. You can have multiple states, number of states as per your requirement. Okay, so capital Q is what? Finite set of the states. Now, sigma is what? Finite input alphabet. Till now we have seen what is alphabet? We can provide any letter for your language. There can be sigma, A, B. For binary language we are writing here 0, 1. Okay, so here by using sigma we are mentioning what alphabet, what letters we are going to use. Transition function. What is transition? As you can see here, from Q0, Q0 is our starting state. From Q0 you are moving to Q1 state, and Q1 is mentioned by double circle, that is a final state. So what input we are providing? On input A, from Q0 we are moving to Q1 by providing input A. From where we are getting this input A? Inside the sigma we have mentioned A, B. From that we can use here. If you require here to use B, you can mention that B. It is nowhere compulsory to write here Q0 and Q1 only. You can write any letter. Okay. For input, you have to mention here what letters you are using. Here, instead of A, B, you can have C, D or other letters you can use. Okay. So transition function tells you from which state, on what input you are moving to which state. Okay. You have one state. By providing some input, you are reaching to what state. Like this example, from Q0, sigma means what input you are providing. We are providing here A. We are moving from Q0 to Q1. That is a transition. And we are denoting that transition function through Q into sigma gives you Q. You have to remember transition function. Okay. For DFA, NFA, Murray machine, Milley machine, this function varies. Okay, here for a while finite automata, you have to remember on given input you are moving from one state to other state. Now, what is a Q0? Now you know Q0 is the initial state. We are marking this initial state by this arrow. This is starting state. Now, F is what? Set of the final state. You can have, in the diagram you are having Q1 as a final state. You are having only one final state. Final state is mentioned by double circle. Okay, but in some cases you can have multiple final states. So here we have written set of the finite states. Final set of the final states. Okay, so you can see here Q0 starting state belongs to capital Q, and this final state also it belongs to capital Q. It is a subset of number of states we are having. Okay, so this is general things about the finite automata. Thank you.